Hi, in an employee table, one field has salary. Salary has default value null. So here we want to add default value for salary field in an employee table. For that, we can add the default value by XML. So again we can create XML configuration for the salary, and for default value we can add one tag as a default value. Add table name is employee, and column name is salary. And default value we can store here 0. And column data type, so we can see if any problem have. So only this configuration we need to mention, and every time when we add sub changes, then need to different change set, so that we care. So now currently we look in the description, there have no any default value. Now we can start application after doing these changes. Now see, see by default value is 0. So whenever any table we add the default value or any column, then we can specify using this tag. So if we need the default value when creation of table time, then we can define here one prop attribute. So this way also possible. So that's it.